Everyone, welcome back to Assamese Education. আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'ত আলোচনা কৰিম কেইটামান ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট জিকে কুৱেশ্যন। এইকেইটা কুৱেশ্যন যিকোনো কম্পিটিটিভ এক্সামৰ কাৰণে খুব ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট। আপোনালোকে যদি আমাৰ চেনেলৰ ভিডিঅ' চাই ভাল পায় তেনেহ'লে চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি ৰাখিব আৰু ভিডিঅ'টো লাইক কৰিব। চ' ফাৰ্ষ্ট কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল Which of the following is the age of retirement of a High Court judge? Correct answer option number A, 62 years. Question number 2. Who gave the slogan do or die? Correct answer option number B, Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 3. Which of the following book is written by Indira Gandhi? Correct answer option number B, My Truth. Question number 4. Which is the largest temple in India? Correct answer option number 3, Srirangam Temple. Question number 5. Where is the Red Fort located? Correct answer option number D, Delhi. Question number 6. Which country first introduced the bullet train? Correct answer option number A, Japan. Question number 7. Who built the Taj Mahal in Agra? Correct answer option number D, Shah Jahan. Question number 8. Who was the first USA president to visit India? Correct answer option number A, D. Eisenhower. Question number 9. Who was the first Indian astronaut? Correct answer option number D, Rakesh Sharma. Question number 10. India comes under which continent? Correct answer option number C, Asia. Question number 11. Which African nation is famous for chocolate? Correct answer option number B, Ghana. Question number 12. Olympics games are held after every. Correct answer option number C, 4 years. Question number 13. Which gas is also known as laughing gas? Correct answer option number D, nitrous oxide. Question number 14. Which is the coldest location in the earth? Correct answer option number D is Antarctica. Question number 15. Which tree is used to make paper? Correct answer option number D, bamboo. Question number 16. Which is the country with the most people? Correct answer option number C, China. Question number 17. Which is the hottest continent on earth? Correct answer option number B, Africa. Question number 18. Which is the largest democracy in the world? Correct answer option number D, India. Question number 19. Which is the largest country in the world? Correct answer option number A, Russia. Question number 20. Who is also known as the father of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer option number D, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So ধন্যবাদ। আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'ত এইকেইটা কুৱেশ্যন আলোচনা কৰিলোঁ। যদি ভিডিঅ'টো চাই ভাল পালে তেন্তে ভিডিঅ'টো লাইক কৰিব আৰু কমেণ্ট কৰিব। ধন্যবাদ।